माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राह, हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम,
Good morning, one and all present here. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd to mark the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi ji. It is observed across the nation. The day is also a national holiday. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. And this year marks his 152nd birth anniversary. Today, we also mark the birth anniversary of Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughal Sarai, a small railway town 7 miles from Varanasi. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji was an Indian statesman who served as the second Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution, a national campaign to increase the production and supply of milk. Mahatma Gandhi ji was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial, nationalist and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign of India's independence from British rule and in turn inspired movements of civil rights and freedom across the world. He said, "Where there is love, there is light."
ज्योति तुम्हारी सतत जलेगी, आया हूँ उजाला लेने, प्रभु आया उजाला लेने। ज्योति तुम्हारी सतत जलेगी, आया हूँ उजाला लेने, प्रभु आया उजाला लेने। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। पर दुखी उपकार।
Readings from the Holy Quran. All praise belongs to God, the Lord of all world, the compassionate, the merciful, the ruler of judgment day. It is you that we worship, and to you we appeal for help. Show us the straight way, the way of those you have graced, not of those on whom is your wrath, nor of those who wander astray.
A reading from Hindu scripture. One who performs his duty without association with the modes of material nature, without false ego, with great determination and enthusiasm, and without wavering in success or failure, is said to be a worker in the mode of goodness.
हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है, हाँ उसी का नूर। हर तरफ हर जगह रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है, हाँ कहीं पे जरूर।
रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है, हाँ कहीं पे जरूर।
Reading from the Vedas. O man, there is great strength in your determination. No one can wipe away your determination. Leave along ordinary things of your life. Even the great mountains cannot bar your path. You are stronger than the sun.
Reading from Holy Bible. Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or boastful. It is not arrogant or rude. Love does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. Love does not rejoice at wrong but rejoices at the right. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, and endures all things.
प्रार्थना। प्रार्थना एक शक्ति है, दिखाई नहीं देती, लेकिन हर एक व्यक्ति के पास मौजूद है। यह एक पुकार है जो हृदय से निकलकर भगवान के हृदय तक पहुंचती है। सच्चे हृदय से निकली प्रार्थना सफल होती है। सभी संत और महात्माओं की प्रार्थना यही ताकत थी। सांघिक प्रार्थना फलदायी होती है। हर व्यक्ति को प्रार्थना को अपनाना चाहिए। मुसीबतों से बाहर निकलने का एक सहज सुलभ रास्ता यानी प्रार्थना। आपकी प्रार्थना की गहराई आपका ईश्वर के प्रति अटूट विश्वास को दर्शाती है। महात्मा गांधी जी के आश्रम में ठीक समय पर प्रार्थना की जाती थी। उन्हें प्रार्थना पर बेहद विश्वास था। अहिंसा के इस पुजारी का प्रार्थना यह सशक्त शस्त्र था। आज महात्मा गांधी जयंती के अवसर पर हम भी प्रार्थना को अपनाएं। आज सिर्फ भारत ही नहीं, पूरा विश्व संकटों का सामना कर रहा है। आज के इस मुश्किल दौर में प्रार्थना ही हमें बचा सकती है, मन में विश्वास भर सकती है। आओ इस कोरोना रूपी संकट के पहाड़ को पार करें। आओ प्रार्थना करें। प्रार्थना और विश्वास दोनों अदृश्य है, परंतु दोनों में इतनी ताकत है कि नामुमकिन को मुमकिन बना देते हैं। धन्यवाद।
The Pietermaritzburg station in South Africa, the place where Mahatma Gandhi was thrown out of a first-class compartment for being a person of color. This is the platform where he felt alone and confused. After the incident, Gandhi had said, "I was afraid for my very life. I entered the dark waiting room. There was a white man. I was afraid of him. What was my duty? I asked myself, should I go back to India? Or should I go forward with God as my helper and face whatever was in store for me?" I decided to stay and suffer. My active non-violence began from that date. Gandhiji's non-violent movement was born here in 1893. Attorney Gandhi's aborted trip to Pretoria led to Mahatma's journey. To freedom for India.
इस स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में, इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए जो फाइट हुई, इसमें हमें मिले हमारे नेशनल हीरोज। इन नेशनल हीरोज में से एक हीरो थे भारत के दूसरे प्रधानमंत्री श्री लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी। कमाल की बात यह रही कि शास्त्री जी, जिन्हें अपना गुरु मानते थे महात्मा गांधी जी, उन्हीं के साथ अपनी बर्थ डेट भी शेयर करते थे। जिस दिन ये दुनिया 2 अक्टूबर को गांधी जयंती मनाती है, उसी दिन हम शास्त्री जयंती भी मनाते हैं। बापू का जन्म और उनके शिष्य शास्त्री जी का जन्म एक ही तारीख को हुआ। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के बेटे अनिल शास्त्री साहब ने एक वाकया सुनाया कि बचपन में जब हम भाई लोग सब लोग साथ में स्कूल जाते थे तो हम तांगे में बैठ करके जाते थे। ये उस वक्त की बात है जब हम सेंट कोलंबिया स्कूल न्यू दिल्ली में पढ़ते थे और हमारे पिताजी उस वक्त भारत के गृह मंत्री थे। केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के बेटे तांगे में बैठ के स्कूल जा रहे हैं, जबकि उसी गृह मंत्रालय में जो अधिकारी काम करते थे उनके बेटे कार्स में स्कूल जाते थे। ये बच्चे जब देखते थे कि उन ऑफिसर्स के बच्चे कार में आ रहे हैं और हम तांगे में जा रहे हैं, जबकि हमारे पापा इनके बॉस है, तो एक शाम में आकर के पापा से कहा शास्त्री जी से बच्चों ने कि हम कार में क्यों नहीं जाते हैं? आपके अंडर में जो ऑफिसर्स हैं उनके बच्चे कार में आ रहे हैं, हम तांगे में जा रहे हैं। उस वक्त जब केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री थे शास्त्री साहब, तो उन्होंने अपने बच्चों से कहा कि बेटा, मैं तुम्हें सरकारी कार में भी भेज दूं, लेकिन ये कार तभी तक जाएगी जब तक तुम्हारे पापा मंत्री हैं। हालांकि बाद में बच्चों ने जिद की कि एक कार तो आपको खरीदनी चाहिए। जब वो प्रधानमंत्री बन गए थे तो उन्होंने अपने जो उनका स्टाफ था उनको बुलाया और कहा कि हमारे पास कितना बैंक बैलेंस है। फिर जो पैसे मालूम चले, उसके बाद रुपए कम पड़ रहे थे, फिर वो 5,000 रुपए का बैंक से लोन लिया। उसके बाद में वो इकलौती कार उन्होंने अपने ज़माने में खरीदी, जिसका लोन बाद में मैंने आपको बताया कि ललिता शास्त्री जी, जो कि शास्त्री जी की धर्मपत्नी थी, वो शास्त्री जी की मृत्यु के 4 साल बाद तक चुकाती रही अपनी पेंशन से। इतने खुददार थे लाल बहादुर शास्त्री साहब।
Good morning, India. My dear citizens of India, I, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, father of the nation, is now feeling very sad by looking at the situation of the COVID 19 pandemic. A few days ago, on a sweltering afternoon, I was watching two visually impaired boys struggling to cross roads. They kept on listening to the sounds of traffic, intently waiting for the moment they could get to the other side. Observing them, I thought what online education and Zoom conferences would mean to them. The inaccessibility of education has become glaringly evident. The idea of universal connectedness and the tools needed for it had made us realize to think, to reassist and bridge up the gaps in the policies of our nation. Since the lockdown, not only have many children are deprived of education, but many families are facing a crisis. Be it the crisis engulfing the streets with thousands of laborers walking back home, or the plight of the street vendors, construction workers, flower farmers, the differently able that went unnoticed initially. It is therefore very important and urgent for our policymakers to reform our policies by making them new with a citizen centered approach. Implementation of these policies should be done by compassion, love, and kindness by government servants of our country. India has a rich culture, and that has become our identity today. India stands as a powerful and multicultural society as it has absorbed many cultures and moved on. Although people are turning modern today, they still hold on to the moral values of our culture. Our ethnic culture also teaches us to respect elders, behave well, care for helpless people, and help needy and poor people. That is why we have a famous saying, Atiti Devo Bhava. The basic roots in our culture are spiritual practices and humanity. So, dear children, let us not forget the richness of our great culture and come forward to work together to fight this situation of the COVID pandemic so that each person in our country will be safe, happy, and healthy.
Good morning, dear principal, the teachers, staff, and my dear students. Today is a very significant day for us Indians because on this day, two of our great freedom fighters were born. One is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and the other Lal Bahadur Shastri. Both these personalities had something in common. They preached what they practiced, and they practiced what they preached. 2nd October is observed as a national holiday in remembrance and honor of Mahatma Gandhi ji as Gandhi Jayanti. He fought for our independence by following the principles of peace and non-violence. His ideologies of truth and non-violence impacted the lives of many great individuals like Martin Luther King Jr., and many others, and still don't fail to influence our lives today. For the people of India, he was Bapu. Subhash Chandra Bose entitled him as the father of the nation. People also entitled him as Mahatma, meaning the one with the greatest soul. Gandhiji was a lawyer by profession. At 19, he went to London to complete his higher studies. After completing his studies, he went to South Africa with his wife Kasturba Gandhi and stayed there for many years. He led a simple life there but remained active in the movements which led to fighting injustice against the Indians living in South Africa. His contribution to the lives of Indian people is undebatable, and we Indians are truly indebted by his sheer dedication to provide us with a free country we reside in today. He struggled through many years to provide independence to India from British rule, but not with force or violence, rather with the message of peace and non-violence. Today, on this his birthday, let us not just remember him. Instead, let us follow his example and contribute ourselves to the growth and development of our country. Let us honor him by living our lives according to his principles of truth, peace, and non-violence, and making his dream of an independent nation come true. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.